What's up, YouTubers? Welcome back to Grips Clips. Today's a little different, no lawnmower stuff, but we gonna do an unboxing of some pressure washer accessories. This is a surface cleaner. It's a 15-inch. This was at Sam's Wholesale for like 69 bucks, and you also get a turbo nozzle and a soap blaster that comes with it, along with a twin pack of 25-foot hoses that you can connect together and get 50-foot. I think this was $32. Really good deal. I looked online and most 25-foot hoses were in that price range. I figured I'd just get it, extend the hose, get a little bit more length. I run a Generac pressure washer, so again, this is just an unboxing for now. And then we'll do some demonstrations after. So let's open this up, just kind of see what this is about. Just basic hose. You got your adapter here. Your adapter here connects both hoses together, and then you connect one into your to your pressure washer. So all good. Looks like it's a pretty decent hose, rated at 3,600 psi. Yeah, looks good. So not much for the hoses, but that's it. So let's dip into the surface washer. I tend to pressure wash my driveway, my patios, and all the concrete around me once a year, and usually old method, but wanted to try this out. So let's see what's in the box. So you get a little accessory or connection. Oh, here's your accessories. You got your soap nozzle, spray soap everywhere. And then you got your turbo nozzle. And basically a turbo nozzle hooks on the end of your pressure washer and gives it a better pattern, bigger pattern. So when you're pressure washing concrete or fences or anything, it's a lot easier and you get more spread and it's less time to do it. So it's pretty good. These things alone are about 20, 30 bucks. So not a bad deal for 69 bucks when you get the surface cleaner with. And then surface cleaner. I'll leave this up here so you guys can see it. Here it is here. Basically it's got little, you can see it, it's got a pressure washer thing here that shoots out two pressure washers just almost in one, but it just constantly turns, and this end connects to your pressure washer here. You just set it on the ground, swivels, so you can kind of move it around, and it pressure washes 15 inches of surface at one time instead of sitting there just a little bit at a time. So it seems heavy duty plastic, which is kind of cool because it won't rust or deteriorate. It's got little brushes that it sits on. Yeah, we have to try. It's rated up to 3,500 psi, 2.5 gallons per minute max. Surface cleaner. It's PowerFit, whatever brand that is. Again, it's not a bad deal. 69 bucks, and then the hose was like 32 bucks. It's not a bad deal at all. So we're gonna try it out and report back. I'll plug it in this video as soon as I get the pressure washer pulled out, and we'll get on that next. See you in a minute. Peace. Okay, YouTubers, I was able to get it out. It's a little rainy today, but that's okay. I just want to demonstrate the surface cleaner, the 15-inch surface cleaner on concrete to really see how it works. And got the generator out, pressure washer out, all connected. I just need to turn the hose on, crank it up, and let's test it. Give me 2 seconds. as you can see, YouTubers, took about 20 seconds to do this little area. Hey, look, love it. I could probably do my driveway in half the time or a third of the time. Not only that, you're gonna save on fuel with the pressure washer because you're not sitting there using it all day. Now you may have to use that for the edges where this round surface can't get in the corners, but other than that, you can wipe out your whole driveway in a third of the time. So I approve of this product. This is Grips Clips. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the like, subscribe button. Got more videos coming in the future. Peace.